Hey guys, welcome back to the Lamely Garden. I'm Felicie, and y'all, I'm in Walmart, and I'm gonna try not to be creepy, but you know, people walking around looking at me talking to my phone, and I'm just like, bro, I'm a content creator. But I wanted to come and show you guys some things that Walmart has, and these are things that I absolutely love to get when I can. The first is like their seed potatoes. So they have all different kinds of seed potatoes. So they have Superior White, Red Norland, Gold Rush, and they have Yukon Gold. These are my favorite ones, but last year I only got really tiny potatoes from it. And I know Yukon Golds don't grow that big, but they were really, really tiny. I was hoping for something a little bit bigger. So I'm probably going to get some of the Gold Rush. Hopefully I can get a little bit bigger potato. I think these Gold Rush have that buttery flavor to it as well. Another thing that I typically will get are like the strawberry bare roots. This is a really easy way to get strawberries. I actually have some of these at home, so I'm not going to open this in store because I don't need it. But if you can see inside, you always want to look inside to see if there's any growth, any green growth. And as you can see here, there is some, if you can see it up here. The ones that I bought last year had absolutely no growth in it, and it was a dud. But like something like this is good. So my mom wants to grow strawberries, so I think I'm going to pick her up some of these. But I'm going to do the Everbearing so she can get them all season long. Yep, those look good. So I'll get her two. And it's good to get them when they first come out because that's when they're the freshest. All right, we'll do this. All right, so yeah, I got two from my mom. These are Everbearing strawberries, so they will grow throughout the season. If you get June bearing, like they have this kind, the All-Star June bearing, this one grows most of its fruit all at one time, and then it's really done for the season. The other thing that I'm going to get today, and this will be the first time that I try it, is garlic bulbs. I wanted garlic last year because you know garlic needs like a cold season. Well, I'm in Maryland and it's still cold, so I'm gonna try to get these in the ground. I'm gonna try to get these in the ground now, so they'll have that period of when it's cold outside. But yeah, these come with 3 bulbs in it. And each bulb you break down smaller, so I should be able to get some garlic. I did get a little bit of garlic last year from some seeds that from some garlic that I got from the grocery store, so yay. They also have a ton of flowers, y'all. I want these flowers so bad, and I know that I'm gonna have to buy them now because if I wait they won't be here when I get back. So I'm making an executive decision and I'm just gonna buy them. Let's go look at them. Oh, wait. This is the other thing. So, they have asparagus. So it's 4 roots for $3.24. Now, I've never grown asparagus, but it is something that I would not mind growing because I love it. It reminds me of like broccolini. Broccolini to me has like a asparagus broccoli type flavor that I absolutely love. So yeah, I might get that, but I have to figure out where to grow it because asparagus is a perennial. Like I believe it comes back every year, so I need to figure out where I could put it. But let me show you guys the flowers that they have. Okay, so this here I'm going to focus on sunflowers, dahlias, and peonies. So these are the peonies that they have. Very pretty. And you get 3 roots for $11.47. I mean, I've never bought peonies bulbs, so I don't really know. My manager is like a master grower of flowers, and she's gonna give me some flowers or some bulbs, some tubers this year. So I am gonna get some. Like, look at this one. Like, these are so pretty. I definitely want these. But like, I don't know what this is supposed to look like, y'all. Let me know in the comments if you've bought these. If you've bought these, let me know, because I like those. I'm gonna get the lavender. I'm trying to think of like things that will go together pretty, you know, on my counter. These are pretty. I'm gonna get those too. And look at these. Oh, the multicolored. Oh my gosh. Yo, I'm about to get in trouble. Oh, I like this one. All right. So that one's 5. And those other ones are 2 bulbs. But I also want the peonies. Decisions. I think I'm gonna get these 2. And I kind of want the peonies. All right, while I'm deciding, let me show you some more stuff that they have. So these are all of the flowers, which is so nice. And then over here, they have so many, like I used to love calla lilies, y'all. Like those used to be my favorite flowers. My husband would get me calla lilies all the time. But then I got tired of them dying and I was just like, oh, I don't want them anymore. But now I could just grow my own flowers. Oh, look at these. Oh, this is pretty. I'm gonna get these. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at those. Oh, I'm like a kid in a candy store right now, y'all. I just like pretty flowers. And I think it's so cool to be able to grow them. These are the other things that I used to love, but when they start to get old, they start to stink. So I don't like those as much for that reason. I also have like hostas, more daylilies, and they also have this section, like the edible fruit. So they have blackberries, grapes, blueberries, raspberries. I usually stick with like blackberries. I don't even know about blueberries. I like blueberry muffins, but do that mean I'm gonna like blueberries by themselves? I don't know. And then more of the grapes and blackberries. Oh, but look at these peonies. Oh my gosh, y'all. All right, I think I gotta get stuff that match. Like these red ones don't match with anything. But if I get some yellow dahlias, that'll match, right? I think I'm gonna put the red ones back. All right, let's see. I got those, and those. I need some white. Gotta put some white in here. What can we do? What can we do? Maybe if I get this set of peonies. You just don't know what color you're going to get. So it could be white, it might not be white. Decisions. All right, how about I do this? How about I get this one? And I get this one. Those are the two I'm gonna get. Because like the yellow, I don't know. This is why I can't come into these stores by myself, because one, I'm very indecisive, and two, I just buy it all. Like, what's the point in choosing and not just getting it all? But here I am. Okay. Nevertheless, every place has their garden stuff out now, and what happens is the seasoned gardeners, we come down and get our stuff, and people that are getting into garden and new, they tend to wait, and then when they go to buy their stuff, everything is gone. So word to the wise, you trying to photobomb me, word to the wise, go ahead, if you're thinking about starting a garden, go ahead and start getting some supplies now, because this stuff will probably be slim pickings when you decide, once it gets warm, that you want to come and grow some stuff. Thank you so much for joining me. Y'all know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, join the Lamely, and I'll see you guys in our next video. All you got to do is put some seeds in the ground. Bye, guys.